Welcome to BM Mathematics classes. Today I am going to discuss the very important point in the permutation combination, that is the distribution of the balls into boxes so that box may contain either 0 or more. That means box may contain 0 balls or more balls, or box may be the empty also we can say. First one, balls identical, box identical. Balls identical, boxes distinct. Balls distinct, boxes identical. Balls distinct, boxes distinct. 4 types of problems will be there. First one, balls identical and boxes also identical. Now by using the partition formula, only one partition for the 5 balls, remaining 2 boxes are empty. This is a partition of 5 balls into one partition, and 2 partitions of 4, 1, 0. Okay, and 2, 2, 1. No box is empty. 3, 1, 1. 5 balls into one partition, 5 balls into 2 partitions, 5 balls into 3 partitions. This is a total number of ways, 5 ways. Now this we can write, this is these two partition of this one is a partition of 5 balls into 1, and these two partition of 5 balls into 2, and these two partition of 5 balls into 3. Therefore now generally we can write this, n is identical balls, and R is identical boxes. Box may empty. P of n comma R is equal to P of n comma k is equal to 1 to R. That is Pn1, Pn2, go on like this, Pnr. Suppose here in this problem n is equal to 5 and R is equal to 3. Okay, therefore sigma k is equal to 1, 2, 3, P of 5 comma k, P of 5 1, P of 5 2, P of 5 3. P of 5 1 is what? One way. P of 5 2 is 2 ways. P of 5 3 is 2 ways. Total answer is 5. Therefore this answer is 5. See the next one. Balls identical, boxes are distinct. Now these are the 5 balls. 5 balls identical. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 boxes are there. This is a x1 box, x2 box, x3 box. Therefore now this is nothing but the number of solutions, number of non-negative solutions. x1 plus x2 plus x3, number of non-negative integral solutions of this one. Total 5 balls and 3 different boxes are there. Now x1 may contain 0 balls or maybe more than one. x1 may be either 0 or more. x2 may be either 0 or more. Now this is nothing but number of non-negative integral solutions. That is n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. N is how much? 5 is there and 3 boxes. Therefore 7c2, right? This is 21 we got. Therefore this answer is 21. Now we can write general formula. N balls identical and R boxes distinct. Now number of non-negative integral solutions of this one. Number of, we can apply this formula, number of non-negative integral solutions, r minus 1, cr minus 1. Okay. Now see the next third one. Balls are distinct and the boxes are identical. Now these are the balls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, this is a box 1, box 2, box 3. The boxes are identical. Now balls I am writing like this. First box balls, second, third 0, 0. First box containing 5 balls, second, third 0, 0. Now this is nothing but how many ways? This is a one way. Okay na? And the next, first box containing the 4 balls, second box 1 ball, 0. This is a how many ways? 5 factorial, all 5 balls are distinct. Therefore 5 factorial by dividing into 2 groups. First group containing the 4, second group containing the 1. Therefore this is a 5 ways. And the next, this is a 3, 2, 0. Right, 5 balls divided into 2 groups, 3 balls and 2 balls. That is a 5 factorial by all 5 balls are distinct. 5 factorial by first group containing the 3 balls, second group containing the 2 balls. Okay, therefore this is a 10 ways. Okay, now next. Now this is a 3, 1, 1. Now no box is empty here. Right, 5 balls divided into 3 groups. 5 factorial by first group containing the 3 balls, second group 1 ball and third group 1 ball. These are the 2 equal groups by 2 factorial. 10 ways. Okay, and next one 2, 2, 1. Now here 5 factorial by 5 distinct balls divided into 3 groups. 5 factorial by 5 equal groups into 2 factorial. Okay, now this is a how much? 15 ways. Therefore total how much? This is a 25, 35, 40, 41. Therefore we got the 41. Now in this case also we can apply the Stirling formula. Now here what is this one? 5 balls into, right, one group, right, 5 balls into one group, 5 comma 1. What is the form? This is the one way. And Stirling formula, 5 balls into 2 groups, 5 balls into 2 boxes. What is that formula? 2 power 5 minus 2c1, 1 power 5 plus 0 by 2 factorial. Okay na? 2 power 5 32, 32 minus 2 30 by 2 15 ways. Now 5 balls into 3 boxes, 5 balls into minus 3c1 into 2 power 5 plus 3c2 into 1 power 5 next to 0 by 3 factorial. Now therefore this is a how much it is? This is a 25. Therefore total number of ways, that is, this is a 5 1, this is a 5 1 and these two are the 5 2 and these two are the 5 3. Therefore sum of all this 15, right, we got that 25 plus 15, 1 plus 15 plus 25. This is the 41. What is the Stirling formula? Already we discussed it in the last video that no box is empty. Now in that what they given? This is a n balls and r boxes. Okay, n distinct balls into r identical boxes. Now this is a r power n minus rc1, r minus 1 power n plus rc2, r minus 2 power n This is the r factorial. That is a Stirling formula. By using the Stirling formula, right, this is a we are applying in this case. See that video, that is the answer 25 in this. In this what? Box may be containing either 0 or more than 0. 0 or more. Therefore, answer is what? Final answer is 41 we got. See the fourth one. Fourth one is what? 5 balls distinct and 3 boxes are distinct. Now, number of ways of distributing 5 balls, 5 distinct balls into 3 distinct boxes, so that box may contain either 0 or more, so that box may be the empty. Now, these are the 3 boxes. Now, here 5 balls are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, this is nothing but number of mappings from A to B. Suppose this is a set A containing the 5 balls B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and box B containing the 3 boxes X1, X2, X3. Set A containing the B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, 5 distinct balls. Set B containing the 3 boxes, distinct boxes X1, X2, X3. Now, B1 ball we can distribute into any one of the 3 boxes. That is 3 ways. Second ball also we can distribute into any one of the 3 boxes. Why? Because box may be the empty. That is also 3 ways. And B3 ball also we can distribute into any one of the box. That is also 3 ways. Right. Fourth ball also distribute into any one of the 3 boxes. That is also 3 ways. And fifth ball distribute into any one of the 3 boxes. That is also 3 ways. Total 3 power 5. This is nothing but the number of mappings from A to B. Okay. Now, this is a set A containing the n elements, set B containing the r elements. These are the different. The number of mappings. The number of mappings from A to B. The number of mappings from A to B is NB power NA, that is R power N. Therefore, now we can apply this formula. What is R? R equal to how much? 3 boxes are there. What is N? That is 5 balls are there. Okay. Therefore, the number of mappings 3 power 5. That is 243. Now, therefore, this is fourth answer is 243. First one we got 5, and second one we got 21, third one we got 41, fourth one we got 243. Okay. Now, we have completed the box may be empty, right? And in the last video, I discussed about the no box is empty. Okay. Now, these 8 problems, totally 8 problems, these are enough to understand any concept which are related to the boxes and balls. Okay. Thank you everyone.